In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a view in ClickUp. Whether you're reorganizing your workspace or just clearing out the clutter, removing views you no longer need can help streamline your experience. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to ClickUp's main platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to your spaces. A space in ClickUp acts as a broad organizational unit, almost like a folder, where you can keep related projects and tasks grouped together. Think of it as the first step toward creating a more customized and organized workplace. Once you have identified the space that contains the view you want to delete, go ahead and click to open it. Now that you're in your selected space, look through the different views available. Views in ClickUp are essentially ways to visualize and manage your tasks, and they can be crucial for staying on top of your work. You might see list views, board views, calendar views, and even timeline views, all tailored to help you manage tasks more effectively. For this guide, choose the specific view you're looking to delete. With the target view open, your next move is to delete it. Look for the option that says Delete View. Usually this option can be found in a menu or toolbar within the user interface. ClickUp tries to make this step as straightforward as possible, ensuring you're only a few clicks away from a more organized space. When you click on Delete View, you might be asked to confirm your decision. This precaution helps ensure that you don't accidentally remove a view without meaning to. It's a safety net, so take a moment to double check you've selected the right one before you confirm deletion. There you have it. You have successfully deleted a view from your ClickUp dashboard. Doing this helps keep your spaces clean and more focused on the views you actually need, making navigational efficiency much easier in the long run. Keep in mind that while deleting a view can streamline your visualization options, it does not delete the tasks or projects associated with it. Those remain safe within your broader ClickUp structure. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to delete a view in ClickUp. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to declutter your workspace. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out or explore more of our guides for additional tips and tricks. Happy organizing!